Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will read simple sentences with the sight words what and where. Say the words after me. What? Where? Good job, children! Now let's practice reading. Repeat after me. What can you do? Now it's your turn to read. Say the words as you see the red dot under it. What can you do? Say, I can run. I can run. I can hop. I can hop. I can sing. I can sing. I can swim. I can swim. Repeat the words. What can you see? It's your turn to read the words. What can you see? Say, I can see a ball. I can see a ball. I can see a well. I can see a well. I can see a doll. I can see a doll. I can see a bull. I can see a bull. Say the words after me. What do you want? It's time for you to read on your own. What do you want? Say, I want a bag. I want a bag. I want a dog. I want a dog. I want a toy. I want a toy. I want a bot. I want a bot. Repeat what I say. What will you eat? Read the sentence on your own. What will you eat? Say, I will eat some jam. I will eat some jam. I will eat ham. I will eat ham. I will eat an egg. I will eat an egg. I will eat a yam. I will eat a yam. Say the words after me. What do you wear? Now read the sentence on your own. What do you wear? Say, I wear a cap. I wear a cap. I wear socks. I wear socks. I wear a hat. I wear a hat. I wear a vest. I wear a vest. Repeat what I say. Where is the cat? Now it's your turn. Where is the cat? Say, the cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. Repeat after me. Where is the bun? It's your turn to read the words. Where is the bun? Say, the bun is in the oven. The bun is in the oven. Repeat the words. Where is the boy? It's time for you to read on your own. Where is the boy? Say, the boy is at the park. The boy is at the park. Say the words after me. Where is the bag? Now it's your turn. Where is the bag? Say, the bag is on the bed. The bag is on the bed. Repeat after me. Where is the bird? It's your turn to read the words. Where is the bird? Say, the bird is in the nest. The bird is in the nest. Good job, kids! To be able to be a fluent reader, you need to always practice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe.